Hey y'all, thanks for stopping in. Appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule to stop in and see what it is I'm up to. Down the beach, it's a gorgeous day. Not sure what the temperature is. It's kind of windy though, so be prepared for that. There's going to be some wind noise. Red flags are flying. Means you shouldn't be in the water. I don't know if you can see far enough out there. There's a container ship and a sailboat. It looks like a sailboat anyway, not 100%. Surf doesn't look that bad. I don't know why they got red flags up. Maybe because there's no guards on duty anymore. Oh, that could be dangerous. That screw right there just grabbed a hold of my pants. It may be tricky getting back up. Cross that when we get to it. That's looking north. Which means that's looking south. See where the tide was? I dip my toes in the water. That little bird's out there somewhere. But all I have is a glare on my screen. Oh, that's about chilly. Hello, Poseidon. I think I'm going to back up just to the edge. Wow. It's amazing how chilly that water is. Here we go, folks. October 24th, 2018. The Atlantic Ocean off of Jacksonville Beach. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs down or a thumbs up. Leave me a comment wherever it is y'all leave comments on your internet access device of choice. If you'd like to share me around on your social media, that'd be fandoculous. If you'd like to check me out on Facebook, Imager, or Instagram, I'll have links in the description box below eventually. I'll have some other links down there to similar videos and whatnot. You'll also find my email and my snail mail address. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, people. Breast cancer doesn't just affect women, it also affects men, it affects children. It doesn't care if you're rich or old, young or poor, it will rock your world. If your loved ones are nearby, give them a kiss and a hug. If they're not, give them a call. Hit them up on Facebook. Let them know you think about them. Let them know you love them. You may not get another chance. And that may be something you regret for the rest of your life. So I'll see y'all again. I hope you have a fandoculous day. Swanchy, y'all. Bye-bye.